Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube Axcelead channel. I'm Takeda, Sales Director of Axcelead. Today I'm very happy to be here to introduce our business overview on behalf of Axcelead members. I hope this presentation will help you understand more about our business and also find a new opportunity of potential collaboration with us. Simply speaking, we are the first solution provider of integrated drug discovery in the pharmaceutical industry in Japan. We started our business since 2017 as a spin-out company of Takeda Pharmaceuticals. We located here Shonan area, very close to Tokyo, as an anchor tenant of Shonan Health Innovation Park. It's called iPark, which is one of the largest science parks in Japan. Since we started our business, we have a lot of research contracts and collaboration with customers, more than 100 organizations. That is very appreciated and also our great pleasure. Okay, let's take a look about research our capability. We inherited unique and proprietary drug discovery capability from Takeda Pharmaceuticals, including the three core assets. The first is professional scientists who are well experienced about drug discovery for many years in the pharma industry. The second is brand new facilities which can support innovative and also efficient research. The third is data. We are allowed to access the huge Takeda historical data, which are obtained before we start our business. This means we can offer solutions to customers, not only based on our technique or knowledge belonging to our scientists, but also based on our objective data for best solution. Since we have full capabilities for the drug discovery, especially about small molecules and also peptide, we can support your research from early stage to bridge process to clinical development. In addition to peptide, also small molecules, we are expanding our capability, including iPS cells, AIs, and so on, in order to meet a variety of customers' requests. And also, we have strong relationship with regulatory authorities such as PMDA and FDA. This is also our strong point concerning the support for the IND enabling the application. But if I'm asked what is our strength, I answer it's to generate a candidate. It's not just a compound, it's a candidate. Starting from a customer seeds or hit compounds identified by our HTS capability using our 1.5 million compound library, we do the integrated drug discovery through the tight cooperation with screening, chemistry, biology, JPG, and also safety team at one site to generate the candidate. Once we obtain the candidate, we do the IND enabling activities, including the GLP tox studies and also DMPK studies. In this phase, not only doing the studies, but also we offer design of the studies and also the preclinical strategy of the preclinical development. And also, depending on the situation, we do the target validation and also target identification studies using our biology platform, such as bioinformatics, omics, gene-edited animals, and also strong pharmacology teams to make the asset more attractive and also confident. This is our drug discovery capability, but we can offer the platform capability, such as high-throughput ADMET and also efficacy studies in disease models. So we are very flexible depending on the customer's request. Based on these capabilities, we will offer a valuable solution to you in drug discovery space as a partnership research organization not only providing the technology in terms of capacity and also capability filling. Trust me, as a best partner, we will contribute to the create innovative medicine for the patient and also contribute to the better health of all people in the world. Thank you for watching my presentation. We will looking forward to having your contact in the near future. See you soon.